This is a capture challenge for white, and the sequence here is really important, like some of the previous problems in this playlist. So if white is not careful and plays 2 Atari moves here, now this cut will not work, because white cannot come in here. This will be a tiger's mouth, and this will be failure for white. So what's really important is to play this initial exchange. It will not hurt white's chances, and now white should play this cut first. Black can only play this. Right? Black cannot play any other move, because this will fail. Black must play this, and now white can play this throw-in move to eliminate any tiger's mouth here on the first line. And by playing this exchange, white can now Atari here on the second and first lines, now cut black off like this. Of course, this problem is designed that black can actually capture this white stone, but white can still Atari here and capture black by Atari like this. Now black can no longer escape. The key sequence here, of course, is 1, 3, and 5. White can cut here first as well, right? Because white can capture these 2 black stones if black doesn't respond this way. But throwing in here will have to come after black's number 2 here at J18. And this is really key. So if you're black, what should you do? If white cuts here first, black should protect this right side and play a number 2. And after white's number 3, black should just leave it here and allow white to capture these 2 stones eventually. Now black can capture whites like this. If white responds on the outside, now black can connect, and white will not be able to capture black from the inside. Black has 3 liberties now, and these 2 white stones and these 4 white stones will now be dead. Therefore, after black's number 4, for the purpose of this problem, white must capture these 2 black stones in order to be successful. But black has successfully come out, broken through white's enclosure here. So it's not a totally bad result for black. My point is that when you are on the wrong side of a capture problem in real games, you should try to avoid losses as much as possible. And you should not try to test your opponents to see if they can capture all your pieces, if you play along with their capture techniques. Hope that made sense. Good luck, and thank you for watching.